Tottenham 1, Arsenal 4, AZ 2, Gyökeres 2. When I did my pre-match analysis show on yesterday, I told you guys, I said, this is not the kind of match that Arsenal will lose or drop points. The Arsenal will definitely beat Tottenham Hotspur. But I didn't expect a wide margin. I expected that would be true for Arsenal. But I didn't expect that. First half, I should not lie, I did not follow the first half. Because I was watching one of my latest movie, The 100. So it was the second half I followed. Arsenal totally obliterated Tottenham Hotspur in the second half. After the 2 goals, after the second and the third goal, Tottenham Hotspur could not do it. They could not do anything at all. Life was sucked out of them, and no club in the world can survive a lot of those injuries. No club in the world. Tottenham have a lot of injuries. You have a lot of work to do, because Thomas Frank being sacked is not all about that Thomas Frank is a bad manager per se, but because most of his players are injured. How can you be having 13, 14 players every weekend? It's not only 3 quality substitution every weekend. Come on, the players will be tired now. The players will be tired, and that's what happened today against Arsenal. In 70 minutes, Tottenham Hotspur players, they don't tire. They don't tire. Eze will play Tottenham Hotspur every weekend. Maybe find Tottenham Hotspur versus, or they should just connect Tottenham Hotspur against Arsenal. Maybe in 2 games against Tottenham, 5 goals. He broke Adebayo's record, scoring 3 goals against Tottenham Hotspur in one season. Eze has scored 5. Even though for Saka, he should have scored more than 2. He should have scored 3. I think because Saka was not selfish. He should have scored hat-trick again today. Therefore, Gyökeres, Odegaard, you have seen it. Release pass to Gyökeres and you score. I've seen Gyökeres' strength. When Arsenal are playing on a counter attack, it's very dangerous. One-time control and his shooting ability, accuracy is massive. Is fantastic. 10 goals in the Premier League now. In the striker that barely started scoring 10 goals in the Premier League now. Kudos to him. He's played at least 20-something games. 10 goals in the Premier League. His first Premier League season, and in a poor attacking Arsenal side. And again, in his poor season, 10 Premier League goals. Good credit to him. This year so far, Tottenham Hotspur have not won the Premier League game. I think that the only Premier League side that have not won the Premier League game. That have not won the Premier League game this year. They are poor. Tottenham Hotspur, they are terrible. I told you guys, it's not this match that Arsenal will lose. It's not this match. Arsenal will not drop points against Tottenham Hotspur. They will not. 8 matches of beating against Tottenham. Every manager that Arteta has played against Tottenham, he has won them. Jose Mourinho, Antonio Conte, Nuno Espirito Santo, Thomas Frank, and now Gattuso. He has beaten every one of them. 8 matches unbeaten against Tottenham Hotspur. In 4 seasons now, he has not lost to Tottenham Hotspur. 4 straight years now, he has not lost to Tottenham Hotspur. Kudos to Arteta. The player second half, they came running back. Then the second goal for Tottenham Hotspur was cancelled. If it was 50-50, if the goal was given, nobody would have batted an eyelid. That would have been a good goal for me. The Kolomani second goal for me, that would have been a good goal, but it happens. That is football. It happens. Mosquera coming in for Timber made sure that Tottenham Hotspur couldn't go through the wings. But kudos to Gyökeres and Eze. What a fantastic game for him. If you see Tottenham Hotspur, he will perform. If you see Palace, he will perform. Blessing me and they play Tottenham Hotspur and Palace every weekend. So Eze will be performing. Credit to the Arsenal players. Credit to each and every one of them. The players causing the first goal. But Raya, what a save from him. What a save. This is football. Players who have to play football now. Their mistakes are about to happen. What does it profit Wolves doing against Arsenal and losing to Palace? But credit to Arsenal, now Arsenal are in control of their own destiny. 10 matches to go. For me, it is 5 points, but it is 2 points technically, because they have played a game more than Manchester City. Credit to Arsenal. They are in their next 2 games to determine whether Arsenal will win the Premier League or not. Because Chelsea and Brighton, those are their last 5 matches now, 3-4 games. Arsenal have been playing against top side, but Chelsea and Brighton, they are also a top side. And I'm thinking Arsenal should be Chelsea and Brighton, but that Brighton will be very difficult for Arsenal, even for me. But credit to them for winning Tottenham Hotspur. They will be the better side in the second half. They totally dominated Tottenham Hotspur. And Tottenham Hotspur, they were just giving Arsenal a lot of chances to shoot at them. Arsenal had 7 shots on target, Tottenham Hotspur had 5. Arsenal were the better side, more possession, create more chances, more shots. So Arsenal will be better side against Tottenham Hotspur, and kudos to them for getting the victory 1-4, 8-2 both legs against Tottenham Hotspur, and Eze scoring 5 out of those 8 goals. Credit to Arsenal. What a goal from Gyökeres. The first goal, first time control, shots. Credit to Arsenal for winning